Here is a fluorescent light that's in my bathroom. It's actually not a real fixture. It's just a cavity in the ceiling where they stuck a plain old strip light up there. And then they put a diffuser on the bottom, as you can tell, and it kind of makes it look like a fake troffer almost. It's kind of interesting. I think this was a relatively common thing that they used to do in homes in the 70s and 80s. Sometimes they even do it over drop ceilings too. They just stick a strip light up there and replace one of the tiles with a diffuser. So kind of cheap, but I guess it works. But anyway, this fixture uses two F40T12 lamps, and it's got a cheapo Keystone electronic rapid start ballast in there, which starts up pretty much instantly. And I've actually selected this particular time of day to record this video because when the sun comes in like this, you can actually see the startup a little bit better. It does have a little bit of a startup to it. So I'll reduce the exposure here and hope for the best. Hopefully you can see that. 3, 2, 1. Alright, hopefully you could see that. Do it again. You can almost see like it's got a little bit of a jump up there. It's not quite instant, but it's pretty much instant start. But there's the fixture working. Give a closer view of it here. It's got 3000K lamps in it. GE CX50s to be specific. Installed them in November 2022 and they're still working perfectly fine. Yeah, pretty nice. Do a couple more starts here and I'll show what it looks like with the diffuser removed. Sometimes it even flickers a little bit like that. So yeah, it's not a completely boring electronic ballast. Very nice. Alright, so now I'll remove the fixture diffuser and show what that looks like. Alright, here's what it looks like with the diffuser removed. So as you can see, it's just a regular old strip light. Just installed in this little ceiling cavity here. Go ahead and show that a little bit closer up. You can see the lamps that we installed. There's the etches on those and a little tag that I put up when I put them in. And of course no banding because this is an electronic ballast. Give a couple more starts here. Cool. This is not the original fixture that was here when we moved in. This is a new one that we bought in 2021 and put up here. It's a Metalux fixture. Was originally T12. We didn't convert it from T8 or anything crazy like that. And there's the diffuser that goes with it. Probably just bought this prismatic diffuser as a 2x4 thing and then just cut it down. I think this is like 1.5 by 4 or something like that. It's kind of an odd size. There's the prismatic diffuser installed once again. You kind of have to bend it at odd angles to get it seated, so that's why you can see it's a little bit cracked and stuff. Just from stress of taking it in and out. But yeah, there's the bathroom fluorescent light. There's an identical light just like this in my parents' bathroom. So I'll probably make a video of that one someday as well. But for now, here's this one. If you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to leave a like down below. Feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to see more cool lighting videos in the future, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.